Okay guys, so we're here with the plane and I'm gonna try to hand toss it and we'll see how far it'll go. But as you can see, the issue is when I 3D printed it, it 3D printed wonky, so it's not great, and so it could flip in the air. We just don't know exactly how it's gonna fly. But I have a good feeling that it will fly because I did design the wings so that it would create a lot of lift. They are very light compared to the body of the plane that I did, and so hopefully the manta ray will work this way. We'll see. Let's give it a shot.
Likey